We're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I've got Sarah Marshall here from Marshall's Hot Sauce, and today she's going to show us how to make a savory green chili corn cake. How do we start?
Okay, so we just have some pancake mix here, and this is a whole wheat pancake mix.
Okay.
And then we put in our polenta and just mix in the dry ingredients together. So we have a little bit of salt, a little bit of chili flakes, and then some Mexican oregano. And you just kind of crumble that in there. And then once those are mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and add our wet ingredients. So we just have 1 cup of water, and we're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of our Serrano ginger lemongrass hot sauce. And that has tomatillos, serrano peppers, ginger, lemongrass, garlic. And then we can go ahead and put our cheddar cheese in, and it's just a sharp shredded cheddar.
Sharp cheddar, shredded.
Yeah, tongue twister. And then once our batter is all mixed together, we'll go ahead and griddle these corn cakes.
Awesome. Okay, so we've got our griddle heated up on the KitchenAid stovetop.
Yeah, and we're just gonna put a little butter so that our griddle cakes don't stick. And then you can just use a measuring pitcher to pour your batter onto the pan. And then when we see some bubbles in the center, then we know they're ready to flip. And they're pretty thin, so they don't take too long to cook all the way through.
Okay. Those look and smell delicious. We're gonna take one outside and let someone try it, and we'll be right back. Would you guys like to try some corn cakes with green chili we just made? Tell us what you think. Sabroso, sabroso.
Rico.
Okay, ricos, very good, very good. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmans.com. Thank you for joining us. We're in the KitchenAid kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.